Hybrid cars are often seen as a quiet revolution on the road. But beneath their calm hum lies a complex fusion of engineering, artificial intelligence, and energy efficiency. At first glance, a hybrid looks like any regular car. It has a fuel tank, a gas engine, and wheels. But next to the engine, there's something more: an electric motor, a high-voltage battery pack, and a computer system that ties it all together. The magic is in how these components talk to each other, constantly, silently, intelligently. The hybrid system begins with two distinct power sources: a traditional internal combustion engine and an electric drive motor. The gas engine burns fuel to generate mechanical energy. The electric motor draws current from the battery to turn the wheels with instant torque. But here's where it gets smart. A hybrid control unit, often powered by AI-driven algorithms, monitors every aspect of your drive, from accelerator pressure, braking force, road gradient, battery state, to engine load. In milliseconds, it decides when to switch from electric to gas, or when to blend both. You're cruising slowly through traffic? It switches to full electric, using zero fuel. Need to overtake on the highway? The electric motor and gas engine team up for extra power. Slowing down at a red light? The system recovers kinetic energy and feeds it back into the battery. This is called regenerative braking, and it's where physics meets smart engineering. Instead of using friction to waste energy as heat, the motor works in reverse, acting as a generator. As the wheels spin down, energy flows back into the battery, recharging it on the go. That means every stop sign and every downhill stretch becomes a power opportunity. But managing this energy flow in real time isn't easy. That's where AI steps in. Modern hybrids use predictive control systems, AI models that learn how you drive. They analyze patterns like your average speed, how aggressively you accelerate, and how often you brake. Over time, the system adapts. If you're driving through hilly terrain, it might reserve battery charge for uphill climbs. If it recognizes stop-and-go traffic, it maximizes electric-only usage to conserve fuel. Some systems even use GPS and terrain data to forecast what's ahead: steep inclines, traffic congestion, urban zones, and optimize the energy mix before you even get there. Let's talk about the battery and engine integration. In a full hybrid, the engine and motor are often connected through a power split device, usually a planetary gear system. This lets both the motor and engine send power to the wheels, either independently or simultaneously. When you press the accelerator, sensors measure how much power you need. The AI control unit decides whether to use the motor, the engine, or both. And if the battery needs charging, the engine can power a generator to send current back to the battery, all without stopping the car. Under the floor or in the trunk, the battery stores high-voltage energy. It's cooled, monitored, and protected by a battery management system, another microcontroller that constantly tracks voltage, temperature, and charge level. In advanced hybrids, this system communicates with the car's AI to ensure the battery remains in its optimal state of health. This is more than just fuel saving. It's energy orchestration. Imagine it like a symphony. The engine is the brass section. The motor is the strings. The battery is the percussion. And the AI is the conductor, reading the road, the driver, and the system itself to keep everything in perfect harmony. Some newer hybrids now use deep learning models to predict maintenance needs, estimate battery degradation, and even update driving profiles in real time. Others integrate with smart grids to charge during low demand hours or sync with your phone to prep the car's climate before your commute. It's not just transportation. It's intelligent mobility. In a world racing toward full electrification, hybrids offer a bridge, a transitional tech that leverages AI to make traditional engines smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. So the next time a hybrid glides silently past you in traffic, remember, under that quiet exterior is a living network of sensors, data, and real-time decisions. It's not just a car. It's a high-speed conversation between software, energy, and engineering. A car that learns you, adjusts to you, and drives smarter every day. Stay curious, stay efficient, and stay tuned for the next techie tale.